Welcome to our channel, where we cover everything related to cryptocurrency, stocks, NFTs, and blockchain. Today, we're going to take a closer look at Trust Wallet, a mobile, non-custodial virtual currency wallet that supports over 1 million distinct cryptocurrencies and blockchains. Trust Wallet allows users to purchase Bitcoin, transfer and receive coins, and trade NFTs all within the app. However, due to its mobile-first focus, it may have some compatibility issues with NFT markets and distributed exchanges. And if users forget their recovery phrases or PINs, they won't be able to seek assistance from the wallet's developer. One of the main design goals of Trust Wallet was convenience. It allows users to store, transmit, receive, and stake over 1 million different cryptocurrencies and NFTs from their mobile devices. This makes it great for newcomers to cryptocurrencies, but it's important to be aware of the risks associated with compromised accounts. Some of the features of Trust Wallet include secure access with a vendor-issued private access key, multi-coin support for a wide variety of popular cryptocurrencies, the ability to earn interest by staking coins, a credit card exchange for easy purchasing of cryptocurrency, and a built-in DApps browser for discovering new shopping places and services. Trust Wallet caters to both newcomers and sophisticated users, and is a great option for those who want to manage their cryptocurrency holdings on the go. When it comes to safety, Trust Wallet allows users to back up their keys and recover seed phrases if they forget or damage their device. However, it's important to remember that phishing scams can affect Trust Wallet as it's still a hot wallet. Users should never reveal their seed phrase to anyone and always double-check that they're on the official site of the wallet before signing in. Trust Wallet is a convenient and secure option for managing your cryptocurrency holdings on the go. Remember always to be cautious and protect your seed phrase to prevent irreversible monetary loss. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more crypto, stocks, NFTs, and blockchain topics.